world's first vegetarian outlets of Domino's, Pizza Hut and Subway were opened in Ahmedabad in the state of Gujarat. Did you know that Gujarat has the highest number of vegetarians than any other state in India? But despite the common belief, Gujarat is not the state of only vegetarians. Interesting, right? Stick with me till the end of this video to know more amazing facts about Gujarat and Gujaratis. Hello, I am Prajakta. Welcome to Exploring Souls. Through the India Unwind series, we are sharing some amazing and not so popular facts about various Indian states and union territories. You can check the video playlist here or from the link in the description box below. And today I'll be sharing some interesting facts about the western state of Gujarat. But before we move ahead, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of our future updates. So without further ado, let's get started. The erstwhile state of Bombay was divided into two parts, Gujarat and Maharashtra, on a linguistic basis on 1st of May 1960. This area was known as Gujarat or Gurjar Bhumi for centuries before the Mughal period and hence the name Gujarat. Ahmedabad was initially the capital of the state, but it was later shifted to Gandhinagar in 1970. And interestingly, Gandhinagar is the greenest capital city in whole of Asia. India's first port was established in Gujarat's Lothal, which is actually a Harappan site. The British East India Company set its foot in India on the port of Surat in 1818. This brings me to the coastline of Gujarat. Gujarat has a coastline of 1,596 kilometers, which is the longest for any state in entire India. And no place in this state is more than 160 kilometers away from the seashore. Gujarat, with 17 airports, is the state of India with highest number of working airports. The largest ship-breaking yard in entire world is situated in Gujarat near Bhavnagar at Alang. The Jamnagar oil refinery, owned by Reliance Industries, is the largest oil refinery on this planet. And the Kutch district of Gujarat is the largest district in India. It covers an area of 45,674 square kilometers. Rann of Kutch is a large salt marsh located in the Thar Desert and spread across an area of 7,500 square kilometers. It is considered to be one of the largest salt deserts in entire world. Gujarat is the only place in India where Asiatic lions are found and is the only natural habitat of lions outside Africa. This state is also the largest producer of milk, and Amul or Anand Milk Union Limited's various milk products are famous across India, and it is also Asia's biggest dairy. Consumption of sugar is also the highest in this western state of India. The richest city of India is Surat, which has an average annual household income of Rs 4,50,000, and it is also one of the most prosperous states in India, which has the per capita GDP 3.2 times of India's average. 100% of Gujarat's 18,000 villages are connected with electricity, and it is one of the safest states in India with a crime rate of 8.2, which is the least in entire India. The Lakshmi Vilas Palace of Vadodara is the largest private residence built in India and is 4 times the size of Buckingham Palace located in London. The Sardar Sarovar Dam, near which this famous attraction of Statue of Unity is situated, is the second largest concrete dam in the world in terms of the volume of concrete used in building that dam. Ahmedabad in Gujarat is now home of world's largest cricket stadium. It has the capacity of seating 110,000 spectators and has a parking space for 3,000 cars and 10,000 two-wheelers. Gujaratis are 5% of India's population, living on 6% of its land and holding more than 30% equity of all Indian stocks in the share market. Isn't it all fascinating? If you know anything interesting about this western state of India, make sure to comment down below. And if you like this video, make sure to like and share it with all of your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to Exploring Souls yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can check these two videos if you want to know more about these Indian states. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.